How to know who visited my Snapchat account? First of all, open up a Snapchat application. Now at the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. Again at the top right corner, tap on the gear icon. Now scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on my data. Now scroll down a bit. Now make sure to enable the toggle of user information. Now tap on next. Now select the date range and tap on submit. Now once you get an email, download the information and check for the people who visited your Snapchat account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a bonding question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.